friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AAEON UP Xtreme i12 Edge AI desktop. So friend, AAEON announced the UP Xtreme i12 Edge, its latest addition to the UP product series. And friend, the UP Xtreme i12 Edge makes substantial upgrades on its processor with the power efficient multi-core architecture of the 12th generation Intel Core i7, i5, i3 Celeron processor, onboard LPDDR5 and AI module support, all contributing to its potential as a system suited to industrial, healthcare, and transport applications. And friend, providing exceptional expansion options, the UP Xtreme i12 has 4 M.2 keys for Wi-Fi 6, 5G, AI, PCIe 4.0 storage module support, and friend, with such option, users are able to bring HDMI computing capabilities to wider variety of markets. And furthermore, the UP Xtreme i12 support Intel Iris Xe graphics, Intel Real Boost, and Intel distribution of OpenVINO Toolkit, boosting GPU image classification interfacing performance by up to 2.81 times that of previous generation. And friend, it is equipped with the one USB 4.0, 3 USB 3.2 and 3 USB 2.0 ports, along with Intel i226 IT LAN port running at 2.5 Gbps with time-sensitive networking. With such a combination, AAEON claims the system can achieve real-time data processing thanks to its onboard LPDDR5 system memory. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.